What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ricardo, aka NZ. I'm the owner of this channel, 50 million. I just want to shout out everybody who subscribe on this channel. So I just saw this video was too fun for me. That's why I upload on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much. And we all know this girl's acting so bad, so bad, so bad. Even me, I don't know if she was my daughter, I will beat this girl. Catch me outside, how about that? So this is my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch more video about this little girl, catch me outside. Just subscribe to my channel and turn your notification on and get up doing and get up doing everything. Yeah. So you know. It was I think yesterday I was like, let me watch Dr. Phil. So I just started watching Dr. Phil, and then I saw this little girl acting so bad, like really bad, and I said, oh my god, let me try to take this video and upload it on my YouTube. A lot of people send me a lot of messages on my YouTube channel thinking that this channel is belong to that girl. No, this is my channel. Like I just created channel for fun, yo. It was just for fun, and a lot of people is texting me and tell me, what the fuck, why you acting like that and shit, like still funny. So this is my channel. I still have another channel. I will let to my other channel, my official channel, on the description. So make sure you follow this channel, make sure you subscribe on this channel. I will start doing vlog, prank, everything. I love everybody who subscribe on my channel. If you want to be upgrading of this video of this girl, so make sure you subscribe on my channel, turn your notification on, and I will always upload this video though. I like it so much, everybody who subscribe my channel. And also, even me too, I don't like this girl, the way she act, the way, yeah, everybody's saying a lot of bad thing of that girl. Don't worry about my accent. I'm from Angola. I'm just learning English, and I just thought, let me just try to do something fun, or maybe this. Let me try to answer everybody who is subscribing, everybody who is sending me message on this channel, just to let you know this is not the that girl channel. This is my channel. This is my channel, 50 million. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. And so now guys, make sure you subscribe on this channel. Make sure you give a big thumbs up. Make sure if you are not agree with this kind of behavior, even me, even my mom, we accept this kind of behavior. So make sure you subscribe on my channel, 50,000 million, and I will let my other channel in my description. So I love everybody who is subscribing. I love everybody who is commenting on all videos. I love you guys. Subscribe on my channel. This is Ricardo, aka NZ. I love you.